Welcome. Get ready to unlock a powerful secret to achieving a leaner, healthier you. We're about to embark on a journey that will transform your understanding of fitness and well-being. Ready to get fit and feel fantastic? Are you excited to discover a workout that not only sculpts your body but also invigorates your mind? Today, I'm sharing an ancient exercise, a time-tested technique that has been passed down through generations. This isn't just another fitness fad, it's a practice rooted in history and proven by results. That's been around for thousands of years. Imagine the wisdom and effectiveness packed into a movement that has stood the test of time. It's a legacy of strength and resilience. Forget fancy gym machines and complicated routines. You don't need expensive equipment or a crowded gym to achieve remarkable results. This movement was used by ancient warriors, the epitome of physical prowess and endurance. They relied on this exercise to hone their bodies for battle and maintain peak performance, to build real strength and stamina. This isn't about superficial gains, it's about developing functional strength that translates into everyday life. It's survived the test of time because it works. It's a testament to the power of simplicity and the effectiveness of natural movements. It gets your heart pumping, boosting your cardiovascular health, and increasing your overall energy levels. Feel the surge of vitality as you engage in this dynamic exercise. Builds lean muscle, sculpting your physique and enhancing your metabolism. Say goodbye to flabby areas and hello to a more defined, toned body, and burns fat, helping you shed those unwanted pounds and achieve your weight loss goals. Watch as your body transforms into a fat-burning machine. All at home, no equipment needed. That's right, you can do this exercise anywhere, anytime, without any special gear. Think of it as your secret weapon for weight loss, a powerful tool that you can use to transform your body and your life. A hidden gem from the past, waiting to be rediscovered and utilized for its incredible benefits. It's a treasure trove of fitness wisdom. Perfect for beginners, this exercise is easy to learn and adapt to your current fitness level. No prior experience is necessary, or anyone wanting something new in their routine. Break free from the monotony of your current workout and experience the refreshing challenge of this ancient movement. All you need is a positive attitude and a little space. A willingness to learn, and a small area to move around in, are all you need to unlock the power of this exercise. This is a compound exercise, a powerhouse movement that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, meaning it works multiple muscles at once. This maximizes your calorie burn and builds overall strength and coordination. More muscles working means more calories burned, making it an incredibly efficient way to achieve your fitness goals. The key to losing weight and feeling great. It's not just about the physical transformation, it's about the boost in confidence and overall well-being that comes with it. You'll fire up your legs, glutes, core, strengthening your foundation and improving your posture, and improve your balance and flexibility. Enhance your body's natural range of motion and prevent injuries. It's a full-body workout in one simple, flowing movement. Experience the grace and power of this ancient exercise as you move with fluidity and control. We'll break it down step by step, providing clear and concise instructions to guide you through each stage of the exercise, so you feel confident and safe. We prioritize your well-being and want to ensure that you perform the exercise correctly and effectively. Sometimes the oldest methods are the best. In a world of fleeting fitness trends, this ancient exercise stands as a testament to the enduring power of tradition. So, grab some water, find your space, and prepare to embark on a transformative fitness journey. And let's get started on this journey together. I'm excited to guide you as you unlock the secrets of this ancient exercise and experience its incredible benefits. Let's do this. Let's unleash your inner warrior and achieve the lean, strong, and healthy body you've always desired. The mystery exercise, it's the Hindu squat or Baithak, with roots stretching back over 3,000 years to ancient India. Used by legendary Indian wrestlers, Pahlwans, it built powerful legs, a strong core, and incredible stamina. They'd perform hundreds, even thousands of these squats to develop real-world strength. Unlike standard squats, the Hindu squat is dynamic, with a unique breathing pattern and arm swing for rhythm and momentum. It's cardio and strength training rolled into one, fueling both body and mind. When you do a Hindu squat, you're connecting with a tradition of strength and discipline proven for centuries. The most powerful tool is your own body, and this exercise proves it. Why is the Hindu squat so effective for weight loss? It's a massive calorie burner because it works your biggest muscle groups all at once: quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. The continuous, flowing motion keeps your heart rate up, making it a cardio and strength workout in one. This combo torches fat and builds muscle, boosting your metabolism even after you finish, thanks to the afterburn effect. More muscle means you burn more calories at rest, making weight management easier long-term. With regular practice, you'll build strong, lean legs and a higher metabolic rate. You're not just losing weight, you're changing your body's engine to burn fat around the clock. It's a win-win for your fitness goals. Let's get moving. The Hindu squat isn't just about weight loss. It's a gateway to unlocking a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond the superficial. We're talking about a transformation that touches every aspect of your well-being. It's a holistic exercise for body and mind. It's about forging a powerful connection between your physical and mental states, creating a harmonious balance that radiates from within. This exercise acknowledges that true fitness encompasses more than just physical strength. It's about cultivating inner peace and mental clarity. It improves mobility and flexibility, allowing you to move with greater ease and grace. By taking your hips, knees, and ankles through a full range of motion, lubricating the joints and promoting long-term joint health. This full range of motion helps to prevent stiffness and discomfort, ensuring that your body remains supple and responsive, counteracting the stiffness from modern life. The Hindu squat serves as an antidote to the sedentary habits that plague our modern existence, helping to reverse the negative effects of prolonged sitting and inactivity. The dynamic movement challenges your balance and coordination, requiring you to engage your stabilizing muscles and maintain control throughout the exercise. Firing up your core, strengthening your abdominal and back muscles, which are essential for maintaining proper posture and preventing injuries. And sharpening your stability. This enhanced stability translates to improved performance in all areas of your life, from athletic endeavors to everyday activities. You'll notice everyday tasks like climbing stairs or lifting groceries become easier, requiring less effort and causing less strain on your body. This is real-world strength that empowers you to live actively and confidently, knowing that your body is capable and resilient. The rhythmic breathing and movement can be meditative, helping you de-stress and focus, allowing you to quiet the mental chatter and cultivate a sense of inner calm. Pushing through tough sets builds mental toughness and discipline, teaching you to persevere through challenges and overcome obstacles. The endorphin rush after a workout boosts your mood and reduces anxiety, leaving you feeling happier, more relaxed, and more at peace. You're not just building a stronger body, you're building a resilient mindset, capable of handling stress and adversity with grace and fortitude. It's a complete workout for body and soul, a transformative practice that nourishes your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Ready to try your first Hindu squat? This exercise is a fantastic way to build lower body strength, improve your flexibility, and boost your overall fitness. It's a dynamic movement that engages multiple muscle groups, making it a highly efficient exercise. Before we dive in, it's crucial to warm up properly. Warming up prepares your muscles and joints for the exercise, significantly reducing the risk of injury. Think of it as waking up your body and telling it what's about to happen. We'll start with a simple march in place. Do this for about a minute. Marching increases blood flow to your legs and gets your heart rate up slightly, which is exactly what we want before starting any exercise. Keep a steady pace and engage your core. After marching, let's move on to gentle leg swings. Start by swinging one leg forward. These dynamic stretches help to improve your range of motion and loosen up your hip flexors and hamstrings. Now swing that same leg back. Focus on controlled movements, feeling the stretch in your glutes and lower back. Remember, the goal is to gently prepare your muscles, not to push yourself too hard at this stage. Finally, swing your legs side to side. This will target your inner and outer thighs, further enhancing your flexibility and preparing you for the squat. Repeat these leg swings with the other leg to ensure both sides are equally warmed up. Before attempting the full Hindu squat, let's practice a supported squat. This will help you get a feel for the movement and build confidence. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Now slowly lower your hips down as if you're going to sit in the chair. The chair provides support and allows you to control the depth of your squat. Once you gently touch the chair, stand back up without fully resting on it. Engage your glutes and thighs as you push yourself back to a standing position. This controlled movement is key to building strength and stability. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions of these supported squats. This will help you learn the movement safely and effectively, building the necessary muscle memory and strength for the Hindu squat. Remember to maintain good posture throughout the exercise. Now let's focus on a crucial element of the Hindu squat: footwork. Unlike a regular squat where your heels stay planted on the ground, In a Hindu squat, your heels will naturally lift as you descend. To practice this, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, maintaining a balanced stance. As you prepare to squat, focus on keeping your weight distributed evenly across your feet. Now, begin to bend your knees. As you lower yourself, allow your heels to naturally rise off the ground. Don't force it, let it happen as a result of the movement. You'll be balancing on the balls of your feet at the bottom of the squat. As you return to the standing position, consciously lower your heels back down to the ground. This controlled lowering is just as important as the lifting motion. Practice this footwork slowly and deliberately. It may feel a little wobbly or unstable at first, especially if you're not used to lifting your heels during squats. But don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Now let's talk about breathing. Proper breathing is absolutely key to performing the Hindu squat effectively and safely. It helps to regulate your energy levels and maintain stability throughout the movement. The general rule is to inhale as you squat down. This helps to expand your chest and engage your core muscles, providing a solid foundation for the movement. Then exhale as you rise back up to the standing position. This helps to expel carbon dioxide and engage your core muscles to power the upward movement. Let's put it all together. Try a few slow repetitions, consciously coordinating your breath with your movement. Focus on maintaining a smooth and controlled rhythm. Remember, inhale deeply as you lower yourself into the squat. Feel your chest expand and your core engage. Then, exhale completely as you push yourself back up to the starting position. Feel your muscles working together to complete the movement. This coordinated rhythm of breath and movement is the very foundation of the Hindu squat. It's what makes it such an effective and powerful exercise. As you practice, take your time and really focus on maintaining proper form. Pay attention to your footwork, your breathing, and your overall body alignment. With consistent practice and attention to detail, the Hindu squat will start to feel more and more natural. Your body will adapt, and the movement will become smoother and more fluid. Now that you've warmed up, practiced the footwork, and coordinated your breathing, you're finally ready to attempt the full Hindu squat movement. Let's go. It's time to put everything you've learned into action and experience the power of the Hindu squat. Let's put it all together for the full Hindu squat. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes forward, core engaged. As you squat down, sweep your arms back and inhale through your nose, letting your heels lift. Keep your chest up and back straight, go as low as comfortable. Push up to standing, swing your arms forward and exhale forcefully as your heels return to the floor. Make the movement smooth and continuous like a wave. Aim for 10-15 reps with good form, then rest for a minute. Try 2 or 3 sets to start. Don't worry if it feels awkward, coordination comes with practice. Focus on quality over quantity. You're mastering an ancient art. Safety first. Always listen to your body. If you feel sharp or unusual pain, stop immediately and rest. Perfect form is your best protection. Keep your back straight, chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Record yourself to check your technique if needed. If you have knee issues, start with shallow squats or supported box squats. Gradually increase depth as you get stronger. Cool down after each session with gentle stretches for your legs. Don't train intensely every day. Rest is when your muscles rebuild and get stronger. Give yourself at least a day between sessions, especially at the start. Smart training keeps you progressing and injury-free. Consistency is key. Schedule your workouts like any important appointment. Start small. 2 sets of 10 squats 3 times a week is a great beginning. Track your progress in a notebook or app. Seeing improvement keeps you motivated. Celebrate small wins like feeling stronger or less out of breath. Find your why, whether it's more energy, confidence, or better health, write it down and keep it visible. When motivation dips, remind yourself of your reason. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Build the habit and results will follow. You're investing in yourself every time you show up. Keep going, you've got this. That's the Hindu squat, an ancient, powerful tool for modern fitness. You don't need a gym or fancy gear, just a little space and the decision to start. Every journey begins with a single squat. Be proud of every rep and every workout, it's all progress. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. This simple movement can transform your body and boost your confidence. Imagine feeling stronger, more energetic and healthier in just a few weeks. You have the knowledge and the power to succeed. So, find your space, put on your favorite music and do your first set. Feel your body working and be proud of your effort. Your journey starts now. Let's get moving.